Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy C's from theseedslife.com, back at it again with day 2 of this GPP training phase. As I mentioned in the previous video, we are doing triceps this phase. This is to increase our work capacity and get us ready. It is the GPP, General Physical Preparedness phase, after all. Anyway, here's the rundown of the exercises. I am also going to include this down below, so screenshot it, take it to the gym with you, and get it done. All right, first off, we're gonna start off with the A block. We have the trap bar deadlift, dumbbell floor presses, and the lat pull down, 4x10. Caveat, make sure that you warm up before actually engaging in this workout so that you don't pull anything. All right, I always go for like a mile run, stretch, foam roll, all of that. Okay, so after you're done the A block, 4 sets of 10, we're gonna go into more of our auxiliary lifts. We have the dumbbell step ups, 3 sets of 10, followed by the TRX row, 3 sets of 10, followed by standing dumbbell shoulder presses, 3 sets of 10 as well. Then we go into the vanity lifts. You know, it is sort of a little faux pas in the personal training industry having your clients do dumbbell curls and tricep extensions. One, it helps you hug, have your guns hugging the sweaters that you're going to be wearing this fall, right? And 2, your triceps and your biceps do still play a role in your posture. So by getting them stronger, you're able to like stand taller, etc., etc. So I squeeze those in there. Feel free to flip them out if you want to add some more core and calf work. Feel free to do it. Make this your own, and yeah, get it done. Hit me down in the comments if you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, and I'll holler at you in the next. Peace.